The problem we have is, where do we go from here? But as you can see, we've rejected these key levels. Now, I've talked about this before for a long time on the higher time frames. If you've been watching my content, you'll know that I've been like, ooh, this is looking dog shit. This is looking dog shit. And we did the exact carbon copy of this, but the downtrend has been telling us for a long, long time. It has been bollocks. But as you can see, overall, even on the 3-day time frame, risk off. And yeah, like a massive move down to this zone here would be quite a nice little trade. Unfortunately, I didn't put the trade on. I was testing my indicator and I wasn't really 100% happy with the data that I had at the time, but now I've developed it. But ultimately, the market's new. However, we have been cautious. I have not been buying any crypto, I've been waiting and seeing. And I've always said I was always going to skip this zone, this previous all-time high zone within this box. I'm not buying. Even here, I didn't buy. I wanted to get down to these levels and lower and even into these zones, which might be a bit greedy, but ultimately, I do think we are going to go down there at certain points, depending on where we are. And I know people in the comments are like, oh my God, here we go. But we have to have a bigger drawdown. Good. We're looking towards probably the end of the year anyways, by the time things kind of settle down. But this is why we have bull and bear markets. And if you are a trader, you're probably loving the price action right now because we're actually moving.